Hi, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 9:51 p.m. Eastern Standard, April 29th, 2021. This is not financial advice. Please follow your own opinion and or with a financial advisor. Videos for educational purposes, outlining my own personal opinions. Twitter and Reddit below. And currently, no exit points yet. Potentially one tonight. I'll talk about that. Four current entry points at 39, 41, 57, 51. 39 and 41 put on a couple of days ago. See prior video. 57, 51 put on yesterday and last night. See prior video. That constitutes around 70% of what I want to invest in NuCypher. The other 30% is sitting in cash. I do, however, invest in other things, other cryptos and other stocks and other ETFs and all sorts of stuff. However, we're talking about NuCypher here, so let's keep focused on that. And then let's go straight to the markets. Okay, so if we go over to NuCypher USD, scrimmage line for those the Americans. I think I got like 60% people watch this from the U.S. and 40% overseas. But anyway, for American football, the scrimmage line's here. The 50-yard line. The 50-yard line. Stay on the 50-yard line. That's all I'm asking NuCypher to do. But it seems to be holding, like I've mentioned in several videos. Holds here, holds here, holds here, holds there. It either rips past it, it stalls and rips past it, or it bounces off it, or it stalls and rips past it, or it stalls and we don't know what's going to happen here, right? So that's kind of where we're at right now. I think NuCypher US dollar is poised, honestly, for the upside, and I'll tell you why over here. So going over to NuCypher Bitcoin pair, here's where we have a very interesting. Obviously, this is a healthy area to be in the grand scheme of things. I'm not sure if we're gonna kind of like cycle through this over the next week or so, but staying at 952, potentially taking a slightly bigger rally will be big. This thing's been driving NuCypher's price. I wonder, I'm going to do on my next video sometime tomorrow night, probably. I'll put together a view of what the contribution of NuCypher's ultimate price is relative to Bitcoin and relative to the NuCypher Bitcoin pair. I think it's important to see it because then you'll understand how big of an impact this actually is. Just to put it in context, if this thing was trading at 1053 instead of 953, Bitcoin would be 10% more in value right now. So it would be 51.53. It just gives you that extra gain relative to Bitcoin, and ultimately backing into the US dollar price, it helps you out a lot. So keep your eye here. I don't see this thing going down. I see it as a strong upward trend here. The momentum is behind this. Let's go to Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, we still have our support lines in place. Nothing's been broken. Some people think Bitcoin's going to take a complete dive. I think it will go down. I don't think it's going to go down that hard. I think it's going to go down softly. And when it went down softly today, NuCypher was actually catching a bid. And all I'm saying is that sometimes the slow glide down on a fairly level but slightly descending angle is actually good for the altcoins in the end, because a lot of that money tends to move into alt. So that's where we are with Bitcoin. I will probably, just given the price action in the wee hours last night, I might wind up putting in a sell order at 57 and change over here. I feel that, over the last couple of days, there's been some interesting buying pressure coming in around 2 in the morning. And if we back up here, this was early this morning, April 29th at 2-ish in the morning. There was a massive buying pressure here. Same thing. It was it started here at 2 in the morning. Someone's buying at 2 in the morning. I don't know. It's got to be Asia, but who knows where it's coming from. Regardless, this part of the conversation is not technical analysis. This part is kind of assumption. That being said, if it pops up to 57 tonight, I'm not selling all of it. I will probably sell maybe a quarter of it. just to get my 57 cents back from my 1 of 4 trades. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm not selling it all, please. I'm still very bullish. I just want to take a little bit off the table. If it pops up to 57, just given what I'm seeing. But at the end of the day, long term, if you're a hodler, I personally think this thing's going to roar much higher. I'm just trying to optimize my entry points and pick my spots. Anyway, have a great night, everyone. Thanks again. Talk soon.